Hello my internet friends, John Gibson here with I Need Examples. Today we will cover the IsNumber function. The IsNumber function has one argument, value. The IsNumber function will return true or false. True if the value is a number, false if the value is not a number. In this example, we want to determine if the values in column A are numbers. In cell B2, we will enter the following formula, equals IsNumber, open parentheses, A2, close parentheses. A2, 19, is a number, so the result returns true. A3 is not considered a number since there are quotes around the value. A4 is not a number. Blank fields are considered string values. A5 is a number value. A6 is a number, even though it looks like it would be a string. Dates are stored in Excel as sequential serial numbers, so it would be considered a number. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you would like to see examples on a specific topic. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.